Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be taking a look at one of my favorite makeup subscription boxes. Now you guys know I open up a lot of subscription boxes on this channel and we do lots of unboxings, but this Chic beauty box is one of my favorite makeup boxes. And anymore, these just don't exist. I don't know why, but subscription boxes have shifted away from being all makeup and they tend to do a mixture of all of the beauty world. But I feel like makeup boxes are a dying breed. You can find skincare only boxes everywhere and you can find a mixture of both of them. But if you want an all makeup box, they are hard to find. So this is one of them that is makeup, and I do feel like they do a great job of putting out great boxes. So we're gonna unbox their newest one, which is the June 2024 box, and we're gonna see what's inside. If you are interested in purchasing this subscription box today, I will be posting a link down below for you in that video description box. This box ships out every other month, which I personally love because it gives you a chance to actually use your products up. So you get 2 months to use it. And I do feel like they give you great balance between bougie brands and drugstore brands. So you're gonna get a little bit of both inside of this box. So when you open it up, it looks like this. You will have a card, and this will tell you what box this is, which we're looking at the May/June box. There were 2 different variations available for this box, and you're gonna receive one of these variations. So you won't receive all of the products listed here, but you're gonna receive either this column or this one here. Both of them are still gonna have a really great value. It's gonna be more than what you paid for, obviously, but I'm seeing brands like Charlotte Tilbury, Too Faced, Ofra, there's Cab Cosmetics, Bare Minerals, Ofra again. Oh, we're getting Ofra in both categories. So no matter what box you get, you will get an Ofra product this June. But in addition to having, like I said, those more expensive brands, you also have Covergirl, L'Oreal, Rimmel London in here as well. So you do get a few drugstore brands in here, which, as long as they're good beauty products, I don't care what brand it is. So this is what my box looks like. First up on our box, we have from Too Faced. This is their Lip Injection Maximum Plump. This is a liquid lip and it will give you plump lips. So it does have a tingling effect and you can kind of feel it, but it will make your lips a little bit more plump and a little bit brighter. And this is their extreme formula. So it will give you lots of tingles, lots of plumpness after using it. The shade is called Yummy Bear, which is super cute. This is a full-size liquid lip here, and it's got a gorgeous shine. These glosses, if I swatch them on my hands like I normally do, it will create a red mark, like just because it wants to plump up that area. So I'm not going to swatch this today only because I don't really want to have a red mark on my hand, but it will give you a nice shine and a little bit of a berry tint, but it's not a lot. It doesn't come down like this color, but it will give you a really great plumpness. So this full-size product, if you were going to purchase it, retails for $29. It smells like gummy bears. What? Okay, I'm gonna open this. On the back of the box, it says, we've pushed the limits to the max to create a lip plumping formula that's effective and you'll see results instantly. It's also going to hydrate and nourish your lips and smell like gummy bears. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. I didn't know it smelled like gummy bears. Let me see. I've tried these before too, but I just have never smelled them. It does! Oh my gosh, it really does. It smells sugary sweet, but also you can smell like the gumminess. What is that in there? Gelatin or something? But like, you know what I mean? Like you can tell it's a gummy bear. Well, that was a nice surprise. Next up is our Ofra Cosmetics product. This is their South Beach Bronzer. So South Beach is the shade name, and this is a full-size bronzer. This one says it's going to give you a sun-kissed look day or night, and it says that it's going to be a liquid-to-baked formula that will melt on your skin when using it. Now these ones are great because typically that means they're going to blend out really well. It takes heat to activate the product, so you may not notice it on your brush right away, but as soon as you put it on your face, it will start to melt in and really blend itself out. So this is what it looks like for packaging. You just have an acrylic case. And then down below, you're gonna have your 2 bronzing shadows. And this will give you that sun-kissed glow. So this one comes in at $35 for it, and it is in variation 1. So that's what it looks like I'm getting, is variation 1. The other box actually has a highlighter in it for the exact same price. So you'll receive either a bronzer or a highlighter from Ofra in the month of June. The next item that I have is from Covergirl, and it looks like we have a blush. I think it's called Cheekers, so I think it's a blush. Yeah, this is a powder blush. The shade is Bordeaux Burgundy, or number 106. So this is definitely a berry blush, and it is going to be a powder formula. If you are going to purchase this product, it comes in at $14.42. We also have a lip liner inside of our box, and this is from L'Oreal. This is the Color Rich Matte Lip Liner, and the shade is number 104, which is Curiosity Killed the Matte. That's cute. So this is what it will look like. It is a sealed tube, and it is full size as well. This one is going to be a pencil formula, or a gel formula is what you'll have here. And you can kind of see this color down here on the end, that it is a very dark burgundy tone once again. So it kind of like, I feel like Chic always does this. They create a look all the way in the box itself, which I think is just fabulous, because it's nice to get makeup products that work well with one another. And so far I'm like, oh look, you could totally pair up this blush with this darker lip, and you're gonna have this gorgeous look. The bronzer will go with everything. Same with the lip gloss, it will go with everything. So already they've kind of created this very cohesive look just with the 4 products we've looked at. I don't know if they do that intentionally or if that's just how it works out, but I love that it happens. Last item inside of this box today is from Charlotte Tilbury. I mean, what? Have we had Charlotte Tilbury in this box before? I don't think so. I can't recall. Now, they've had other brands like Fenty Beauty and things that I love, and that's awesome. But having Charlotte Tilbury, I mean, this is a bougie brand, so I'm excited for them. This is their Pillow Talk Dreams Luxury Palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. So there are 4 pans of shadow in here. This is a full-size palette, but it is designed to be taken with you on the go. It's like a travel palette. So it's Pillow Talk Dreams is the name. And look at these shadows. I love the colors. This is going to be super fun. Fun and flirty, which matches the blush and the lip liner, like the whole thing. It just, it's done so well, you guys. I always appreciate when a box or a brand curates everything to work together. It just is super exciting because you can tell they put a lot of thought into it and a little bit of effort. It's not like, hey, I found these products and I'm just throwing them in the box. So I really appreciate when they go that extra mile and make a beautifully curated box. So here is what our palette looks like. We do have a mirror up at the top here. And then this is our travel palette. We have 4 shadows in here. You can definitely see the matte and the shimmer, of course. But you can create a whole eye look with this palette. So that is really awesome. So you could definitely do like inner corner here. I would put this as your transition shade. Use this in the outer V to kind of darken up that outer edge. And I would put the shimmer right over your eyelid. And it's going to be this super cute, flirty look. And then combined with everything else, you're just going to look fabulous. So that is everything inside of the Chic Beauty box for June. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. But once again, I mean, they hit it out of the park. Like, this is awesome. I love that it's all makeup. I love that it's all full-size products. And I love the color story that we have here. It's very fun and flirty. This is the one box that I feel like is underrated, and I don't hear a lot of people talk about it, but I am always happy with it. I've never had a disappointing month ever with them. I love the products that we receive, and I like that it's makeup, that they're all full size. It ticks every single box, and I really appreciate that. And it's just awesome. More people need to talk about it. Honestly, it's that good. So if you guys would like to see more boxes like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I do lots of unboxings, mostly subscription boxes, but we have a lot here that we go through, and you can see all the different boxes that are out there on the market. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you in my next unboxing video. Bye!